secant theta is equal to 5 by 4. So theta is given here. So theta given means your wish. Where you want to take this theta. So as I said here A, here I will take the theta. This is B and this is C. So this is what hypotenuse, this is perpendicular and this is base. Okay, so here secant theta is given to you. Secant theta is what? 5 by 4. So secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta. Cos theta is base by hypotenuse. So this is I can write as a hypotenuse by base. That is 5 and 4. Okay. So here BC we have to find out. BC means you have to go for the subtraction. 5 square minus 4 square. 25 minus 16. 25 minus 16, 9. So root 9 become 3. This is 3 will come here. Now I think easily we can able to find others. So first you go for sin theta, then cos theta, then tan theta. Okay. After that you can go for cosec theta. Then already you know secant theta. Then tan theta means what? Cot theta. Sin theta is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. 3 by 5. This is base by hypotenuse. 4 by 5. This is perpendicular by base. 3 by 4. Now here directly you can write reciprocal. 5 by 3, 5 by 4, 4 by 3. Finish. Answer is over.